Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima Okike and you are welcome to my channel. I make videos on natural hair, skincare, and a little bit of my lifestyle. Guys, if that looks like what you're interested in, please subscribe down below. Click that subscribe button on your interface to join my family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how the village hot chicks do their makeup. Guys, I've been seeing that around, and today's video is a fun video. I'm going to be mimicking that just for fun and to show you guys what I've been seeing around and to hear your opinion in the comment section. Please, if you're interested, please keep on watching. So guys, the first thing for this our makeup tutorial, you guys are going to pay me for this tutorial. The first process for this our makeup tutorial is foundation. Guys, they start by applying foundation. The village hot chicks, they start by applying foundation, but some of the makeup artists, they usually start by drawing their brows, but the village hot chicks, they start, they know best, they start with the foundation. So we are going to get our foundation. That's the foundation, and to apply this, we are going to get it over our face. They usually use hand to apply foundation, their palm to apply foundation, but at some point I'm going to use my beauty blender. Village hot chicks use hands like so to work in their foundation. Guys, I'm so sorry, I'm going to be looking over here because I have a mirror here. So after we are done with the foundation, we are going to apply powder. And to apply powder, they don't use brush, they use foam. This foam that comes with the powder, that's what they use to apply their powder. So you guys are going to pay me for this tutorial that I'm showing you guys. You're going to pay me. So they use their foam to work the powder in. So after that we are going to apply eye pencil, and they usually use black eye pencil. Guys, they start from here. Okay, I'm going to brush my brows a bit so that I can actually get it how they usually do it. So after brushing my brows, I'm going to start with the eye pencil. They usually start from here to draw. They make a straight line like so, and then draw it. Remember, we are village chicks. Guys, makeup is hard. If you think makeup is not hard, why do people pay to go learn how to do their makeup? Why do people pay? That's because makeup is hard. Like we usually say here in Nigeria that English is hard. Makeup is hard. If you think makeup is not hard, go ask professionals. They actually learned it. They actually went for makeup schools to learn how to do their makeup. So you don't blame anybody. No one is perfect. Like the village chicks, the village chicks, we do our makeup the way we learn. So it's not a must we must go to school. Everybody must not go to school. So let's go. So they draw the lines like so. Go up, go up, go up, and then join it. Can you see that? Then they will now come and fill the board. Some of them will draw it down. You have to really draw it down so that people will know that you have arrived. Because if you don't draw it down, you have not started. That party is not a party. That party we are wearing this makeup for is not a party. So you have to make sure you draw the stuff down. Okay, so you go like so. You don't have to, as a village horse chick, you don't have to follow your brow. So just draw something. Make sure you draw something. Just ensure you draw something with the black pencil. Just be drawing something. Make sure you draw something. That's just basically it. Why should you follow your brows? That means you're no longer a village horse chick now. So after drawing that, so I'll now fill in this. Fill in the board. You have to draw it well so that as you're entering the party or as you're entering the occasion, they'll know that you have arrived. Because if you don't draw it very well, you are not a village or chick. You have to make sure that it is pronounced so that when you arrive, they will know. If you don't do it well. So we are done drawing our brows, and there's something we usually do so that they know that you actually got it, that you're a professional. There's something they usually put here, and that's a dot. Okay, this dot shows that you're a professional village hot chick. Okay, if you have not put this dot, you have not started. So you have to make this dot on your forehead so that they know that yes, she's the one. So time for us to highlight our let me know now. Let me know in the comment section. Our brows, yes. Time to highlight our brows. Make sure you pay for this tutorial though. The secretary will be in the comment section collecting money for this tutorial, so make sure you pay. So we are going to highlight it. You must not get this, so you just do anything you like here, because if you get it right, you did not. If you get it right, that's not it though. You know, follow. You have to get it wrong to belong, because this is village hot chick tutorial. Okay, once we are done with that, we'll move over to the next. So now we are talking. So we are going to take care of the upper part. Make sure you don't mess with the dots. Make sure the dots remains there because it's follow come. Gently highlight the upper part. Like I said, this is a fun video. Don't take it personal. Don't come and be waiting for me in the comment section. You will not see me. A fun video. Don't come and take it personal. We are trying to look hot so that by the time we enter the party, we will know that we have arrived. Okay? Because if you do it well, nobody will notice you. You have to make sure that they have to notice you. You understand? If they don't notice you, that party hasn't started. So as a village hot chick, the two brows must not be equal. After all, makeup artist does that. It's not always equal. So you have to make sure that they are not equal. Be very sure. Make sure that they are not equal. So I'm going to blend that. As you're blending, make sure you remain the one that people will see, because if you blend that in, you do not get it though. So as a village hot chick, you have to leave out some parts. You must not blend in everything. So you have to make some parts pronounced. You must not blend everything in. If you blend everything in, you have spoiled the show. Okay? So that aside, the next thing now is to plaster our crease, or what do you call it? The next thing now is to apply our eyeshadow. So they don't use brush to apply eyeshadow. This is what we use as a village hot chick. This is what we use for the eyeshadow. Can you see that? So we are going to mix all the colors. So start with this. You have to be heavy-handed with this, so if not, it will not show. Okay, they will not notice you at the party. Okay, you have to be heavy-handed. You have to make this pronounced. Can you see what I see? Are you feeling me? Are you feeling me? If you're not feeling me, that's because something is wrong somewhere. You have to be feeling me. Are you feeling me? So we are going to complete it. What color should we use now? My problem now is that I don't have shouty colors here. I only have neutral colors. I don't have shouty colors. So guys, we are done with eyeshadow. Okay, we have to blend this in very well. So we are done with eyeshadow. We'll move over to mascara. Yeah, mascara. Mascara. Next is blush. Blush. Our blush is going to be lipstick. So you just put that there, smile and put it. Okay, then you try to blend that in. Okay, I don't think this is showing. It's not showing at all, but we move. So for the lipstick, they usually combine like 2 to 3 lipstick just to, you know. So that's the first one, and the second one. So that's the second one. That blush is not showing, so we'll touch up. That blush is not showing, so we have to touch up so that they will know that we have arrived when we enter the party. Okay, so the last lipstick. You have to get the lipstick everywhere so that they know what's up. So then we are going to apply more powder to our face so that everything will blend in. Oh, so after that we are going to lay our edges, then this party can begin. So we're going to lay our edges so that our makeup can pop, you know. you know. I'm going to lay the edges. So guys, that is just it. Gbeke style, Gbeke feeling funky. That's just it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this video really made you laugh, please leave me a comment in the comment section. Share this video with your friends, and if you know you did not laugh from the inception of this video up until now, guys, double up this sharing. Share this video with a lot of people, because this is enough to make you laugh, and again is enough to make you share this video with your friends just for a good laugh. Fun videos. Let me know if you would love to be seeing more of my fun videos, and I'll gladly do it for you guys. How do I look? Rate this look based on Gbeke styles that you have been seeing around on the streets. Kindly rate me over 10. Let me know how well I did. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye, loves. Jesus. Hi, 20